Well, Tippecanoe County could soon have a court specifically for veterans.
News 18's Samantha Tiki joins us live with more on how the court could help veterans whose PTSD may have contributed to their crimes. Sam.
Jeff and Gina, more than 60% of people who serve in the military come home with post-traumatic stress disorder or a traumatic brain injury. And in some cases, that can lead to substance abuse, which could lead to an arrest. Now, the Tippecanoe County Court is working on a special program to get veterans the help they need instead of sending them to jail.
Part of the problem our folks are having is not really their fault.
Purdue's Veterans Outreach Facilitator Tim Hilton says the VA system is overwhelmed with veterans needing help to cope with PTSD. And if they aren't able to get the help they need, he says some turn to drugs and alcohol.
They're trying to, if you will, use alcohol and drugs to wash away the pain that they're experiencing.
But now Tippecanoe County Veterans Affairs groups, support groups, the community, along with judicial resources are working together to help veterans whose service has been a major contributor to any criminal issues.
Everything from operating while intoxicated and public intox to possession and use of controlled substances. In some cases, even things like misdemeanor battery or those type of things can have some basis in the post-traumatic stress disorder.
Tippecanoe County Magistrate Court Judge Dan Moore says plans are underway to create a veterans court. The program would offer voluntary mentoring and treatment for veterans accused of low-level nonviolent crimes.
Put them in touch with the right services and be sure that we can get them help, keep them monitored, and work them through the criminal justice system in a way that ultimately helps deal with the underlying issues.
Once planning is complete, a letter will be sent to the state for the state to decide whether the program is necessary. Moore says he hopes the program would allow veterans to spend time getting help instead of spending time behind bars.
We can start connecting them with services that will hopefully keep them out of the more penal side of the judicial system.
Hilton says if the veteran completes the program, the judge could decide to defer their charges, giving them a second chance.
If we can help them to get over the pain, get treatment, and get back with their families and get back to work, you know, we all benefit.
Hilton says it will cost about $50,000 to get the program started. He says if the state approves the plans, the city and county council will be asked to help fund the program. Reporting live in Lafayette tonight, Samantha Tiki, News 18.